Hi and welcome to Tunisian channel. Today we're making tagine with ground meat. We need ground meat, butter, cubes of fried potato, parsley, onions, garlic powder, turmeric, salt, oil, and Parmesan cheese. Doesn't take so many ingredients, but these are the one we need. We're gonna start with putting the oil in a pan, and then we're gonna put the onions. We're gonna cook the meat, and then put the ground meat and the butter. You can use lamb meat or you can use beef meat. So we're just gonna mix them together like that. Doesn't take long to cook because the ground meat cooks right away. So we're just gonna keep stirring like that. Now we're gonna add all the ingredients. See how in the beginning I showed you turmeric, salt, and powdered garlic? You put that with the meat. It didn't show that, but you're gonna put all the seasoning in with the meat. Now we're gonna mix everything together. The potato, the meat, the parsley, and then 6 eggs, and the Parmesan cheese or any cheese you like. You can put mozzarella, any kind of cheese you prefer or you have, you can use that. So we added the eggs. We're gonna mix them. These are for 2 people, serving 2 people, not much. I mean, it's only a little bit. If you want more, you can, double the ingredients. That's it. Doesn't take long. You can sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on the top just to give you like a little crust, and bake it at 350 until you would know it's done. And this is it. So I hope you would like this recipe and you try it. And if you do like, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next video. Enjoy. Bye bye.